Our eyes allow us to be independent. As we get older, we all want to be independent. We want to do our own thing. And the
Mhm.
problem is that if you can't see, you can't be independent. You can't even take your own medicines. There are dietary supplements that are made of the same things you can find in foods that, when given to people in their 60s and 70s and 80s, can dramatically reduce the risk of vision loss from macular degeneration.
Did you know that over 2.2 billion people worldwide suffer from vision impairment? And according to the World Health Organization, many of these cases could have been prevented. Vision loss isn't just about aging, it's about what we feed our eyes. Dr. William Lee, a world-renowned doctor, reveals the best vitamins for eye health and the surprising foods that contain them. If you care about your eyesight, you won't want to miss this.
What we eat can be good for the brain, good for the nerves, and what's good for the brain, the blood vessels and the nerves in the brain, also good for blood vessels and nerves in the eyes. For vision, one of the most profound clinical studies, biggest clinical studies on food and health was run about 20 years ago, started 20 years ago by the National Eye Institute. So this is sort of the, from the National Institute of Health, like a very credible group of researchers wanted to find out, could we prevent vision loss, right? Very important in an aging population, right? Because, people are working at an older age now, and if you can't see, you can't work. And so your productivity and quality of life go way down. And so protecting vision was a big priority. So what was discovered is that there are dietary supplements that are made of the same things you can find in foods: zeaxanthin, lutein, carotenoids, okay, and I'll come to the foods in a second, that when given to people in their 60s and 70s and 80s can dramatically reduce the risk of vision loss from macular degeneration. Amazing, right? So here's a dietary supplement that actually works. There's so much hubris about the salesmanship of dietary supplements. If you ever wanted to find one supplement to trust, it's the one that had the largest clinical trial to preserve your vision. It's called AREDS, AREDS. I don't get paid by any companies doing any of this stuff. I'm just telling you the facts, data is really convincing. So AREDS is recommended for people, frankly, over the age of 50 to take once a day in order to be able to protect their vision. But here's the thing. The stuff in AREDS is really, some vitamins, there's lutein, there's zeaxanthin. These chemicals that I just mentioned, zeaxanthin and lutein. These are natural chemicals that Mother Nature has laced into foods. What are some of the foods?
Top 5 foods for vision health. Kale is one of the richest sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. With over 22 milligrams per cup, that's more than most supplements provide. These nutrients help filter harmful blue light and prevent macular degeneration. Spinach is packed with antioxidants and provides a strong defense against oxidative stress in the eyes. Just one serving per day can significantly reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin in a highly bioavailable form. The healthy fats in eggs help your body absorb these nutrients more efficiently, making them a powerhouse for eye health. Corn is particularly high in zeaxanthin, which is essential for protecting the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp vision. Studies suggest regular consumption may reduce the risk of cataracts. Red grapes contain polyphenols that work alongside lutein and zeaxanthin to strengthen retinal cells and fight oxidative damage, helping to maintain sharp vision for years to come.
Those actually contribute to blood vessel health for your eye, to lower the risk that you might have blood vessels going out of control. They tame the lion. And the other thing that they actually do is they also, because you're eating them, they go into the bloodstream, they also affect your brain. They also protect and tame circulation to ensure better brain circulation as well, better blood flow to the brain. Now, I'm going to tell you, not only is that sort of been shown by the dietary supplements that translate to food, but by the way, the other thing that's really cool is that there's some evidence that's starting to develop that these supplements for eye disease also protect against dementia as well. Isn't that cool?
Vision loss isn't inevitable. Science proves that with the right nutrients, you can protect and even improve your eyesight. Whether through supplements like AREDS 2 or whole foods, taking care of your eyes starts with what's on your plate. To further improve your eyesight and boost your vision, watch this next video.